this is being added with interrogation of the patient, and then to determine the exact nature of a patient as well as a disease. So these are what are these resources for this authority statement? Of course, there are so many books available in Ayurveda, that is like Charaka Samhita, Shushruta Samhita, Ashtanga Hridayam, many. So here comes here what I mean to say, that many other books you can take, Bhava Prakash, Sharangadhara Samhita, all the books, the classical books are taken as an authoritative things and used as a tool for analyzing the situation. But again, so these are three rules. These are the three things that can be used for analyzing a rogi, but it may need further evaluation. So there are two aspects of things has to be analyzed. One, how far he is deviated from Prakriti, and second aspect is how we try to find this deviation through different methods. So means of measurement. There are different means of measurement, and those are called clinical examinations in Ayurveda, used as word pariksha. So there are different people has given different methods. So there is one method called Trivitha Pariksha, threefold method. Some mention about Shadvitha Pariksha, or six-fold method. Some explained Ashtavitha Pariksha, eightfold method, and Dashavitha Pariksha. There are three things, and they are not contradictory to each other. They are just supplementary to each other. So we'll go quickly to these things, which is easier for us to understand. The first one is Trivitha Pariksha, that is the threefold examination, where visual observation, sparsha, the touch, and prasna. So this fold examination is much more closer to conventional medicine. Also, conventional medicine has inspection, palpation, percussion, auscultations methods. The conventional science, four limbs, is much similar. Maybe they take an idea from Ayurveda. So inspection, the visual observation of the patient, then touch and prasna. But in reality, if you look at these, the order could be the prasna could be the first, because darshana, prasna, and sparsha. Because without interrogation, we cannot touch the patient. So order could be first the visual observation, then interrogation or communication, then touch is the order. This is a very gross classification, because it has its own limitations. Because when we do a darshana, we have a lot of limitations in observation. Maybe we want to see specific areas, we want to see specific pathologies, so we need more details in darshana. Even in the sparshana, we have a lot of limitations in the sparshana too, because there are places where we cannot touch, there are places where we cannot have details. Those things can be received from sparsha and prasna by interrogation. So there is another examination system which is called Shadvitha Pariksha, six-fold examination, is a little bit more elaborated examination system, which includes Spravana, Darshana, Sparshana, Gantha, Rasana, and Prasna. In general, using 5 sense organs plus questioning is very simple. You listen to the patient, that is Sravana. You try to look at the patient, that is Darshana. Try to touch the patient, okay. Try to find the smell, okay. If there are some diabetic ulcer, if there are some pustules, there are so many situations where we can get smell. very specific to physical diseases. Then taste, taste of the thing. Maybe both this taste represents both, not only the taste of things. Rather, we can ask the patient how they feel in the oral cavity, what taste you have in the mouth.